What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to input or how to add or display this WooCommerce registration form into other sections of our website. For example, if you use WooCommerce, normally if you go to the account, you see this forms right here, the option for login and the option for register. However, you cannot have this registration form in other pages. There's no shortcode for it. You cannot input this, for example, into your shop sidebar, into your blog sidebar, for example. So users must be into this page. However, we can change this in a simple, fast and effective way, and this is what we're gonna learn into this video, okay? But before I can start, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, and everything in order to use internet on your favor and internet on your site's favor, okay? So let's get it started. First of all, of course, I need to log into my WordPress account, okay? I need to go to my WordPress dashboard. And once on dashboard, review the left side of menus, scroll down until you can see the option called plugins, hover your mouse over it and click on add new. Into the upper right corner at the section called search plugins, we're gonna type this: simple registration for WooCommerce, and this is the guy, okay? It's a pretty good plugin, okay? It's up on 10,000 sites actually. We're gonna click on install, and after install we're gonna click on activate button. It's gonna normally redirects us to another page. There is our plugins list page, the page that lists all of the plugins installed on WordPress. And if you review, here is the plugin, okay? Simple registration for WooCommerce. Now, if you review the plugin description, here is the shortcode. All you have to do is copy this, okay? Copy this code, WooCommerce simple registration, and place wherever you want. Let me show you one example. If I go to the WordPress appearance, into the widgets, I can apply this into sidebar or footer of my site. I would like to apply this into the sidebar, for example. So I'm gonna click into this plus button to add a block. I'm gonna add, for example, it can be a paragraph or HTML code, for example, a custom HTML. Any content that you can type. So, WooCommerce, here's the code. Let me apply into a paragraph, just to make sure if this is gonna work. Here's the code. Let me update. Now, let's log out to check the results we got. If I go to my blog and review the right sidebar, here is the registration form present into my page. As you can see, we have two because we have added one into the HTML and one into the paragraph, but both works fine. And all the users have to do is fulfill this form and gonna have an account on your site. Simple, easy and effective. Can we add this in other locations of our site? Of course we can. We can add into the footer, we can add into page. Let me just log in once again. For example, imagine that you are using Gutenberg to create your page. All you have to do is call a paragraph block and post this code. Same case in the case that you are using Elementor or using WP Bakery, okay? All you have to do is apply a text block or a text widget or a text element, in case of WP Bakery, and place the shortcode. Simple, easy, and effective, okay? And that is. Let me show you into Elementor how does it works. register page. Let me create it. Let's view the page. I cannot see the page into this because I'm logged in already, so I must log out to see the results. However, it's working just fine. Normally it appears like this because when you log in, you go to the account page of WooCommerce, and here is an account content page, okay? We can do the same using WP Bakery, okay? Let me show you. I'm gonna just add a text block and place the shortcode right here. Same process. If you are using Elementor, exactly the same process. Let me just delete this content. I'm gonna add a text editor, and instead of this loading ipsum, I'm gonna post the shortcode. Click on update, and we are good to go. Simple, easy, and effective. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our WooCommerce WordPress plugin in order to have more widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site, and even pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of an amazing free WordPress theme in order to optimize your site, have more templates, more pre-built up sites that you can import with a single click and start with a ready site, go to our WordPress dashboard, appearance, themes, add new, search for our Enzo WordPress theme, click on install and activate. It's up to you and it's free. Moreover, in the case that you are in need of your website up and running faster with our full support, including premium icons, more pre-built websites, pages, sections, and all importable with a single click, in addition to extra premium elements, go to our visualmodo.com, purchase the Enzo Pro or the Borderless Pro or the Visual Modo Pass that include both licenses, and go premium. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!